First of all, if you have an implant, you really have to go to your dentist every 3 months for cleaning because it's very important to maintain those and clean them
Yes.
because they can fail. And the way that
Mhm.
they fail, they basically fail in the same way that teeth fail without decay when the gums pull away and bone pulls away and you get what we call periodontal disease, but it's around the tooth disease. So you can get around the tooth disease, you can get around the implant disease, and it's periodontitis versus perioimplantitis. Basically, it's around the implant disease when the gums and bone run away and then it becomes loose and you lose it. You won't know it unless you go to a dentist. So there are ways for us to help you maintain it and help you to catch it early on and stop it from happening, but you won't know on your own. That's why it's so important to go to a dentist every 3, 4 months. If you're absolutely healthy, fine, you can go every 6 months. But if you have restorations in your mouth, or if you skip on flossing here and there, go every 3 months. I mean, I swear to God, like it's better to spend a couple of $100 every
Mhm.
3 months and avoid expensive dentistry for the rest of your life than to skip dental appointments because you don't need it and you brush at home. We all brush at home. We still need help,
Yes.
and we need to check that there's nothing that is starting. It's so much easier and cheaper to fix things than when they're just starting than wait until it gets worse.
She's right about that. I let mine go for a while and she had to fix it. So,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's like, well, think about
So,
it as a like a car, right?
mhm.
So you have a car. You're supposed to take it for maintenance, right? Every whatever 3,000 miles, 6,000 miles, depending on the car. Have to change oil. You have to rotate your tires. They have to like figure out the balancing. They replace belts, whatever. I don't even know what those things are. I just know that it needs to be done because if you don't do that
Yeah.
and it wears off, and you may or may not hear it knocking or
Mhm.
whatnot, then next thing you know, this is going to be thousands, thousands, and thousands of dollars to fix your car. Or go ahead and go buy a new one. Well, with a car, you can buy a new one. With a teeth, you cannot buy a new set. Well, at least it's not going to be as good as your own teeth. So much better just to maintain, maintain, maintain.